helped Pakistan through to that magnificent score of 438. So they say you start every morning with your two best bowlers. Urush, who are they? Who did Pakistan start with?
Yeah, I think they have to look to abroad.
There's a little bit of that swing straight away. So just an update from the... Oh, that's one of those areas. He's just moved from around about where he was. It would have gone straight to hand, I think. It would have been a tough chance. But I think that might have gone straight to where the man under the helmet was.
Close the bat face on that, just gently glides it off his legs.
Down the wicket and over mid-wicket for Devon Conway. Couple of bounces into the boundary for 4.
A wonderful shot.
Oh, that's turned. It's probably turned too much, I think. I think it's turned too much. Really ripped. I think this is high and missing leg, but they might go.
Wicket sitting. Can you go back on field, please? Aleen, I recommend you to overturn your original not out decision.
Pakistan. And then he goes on the reverse. And this will run away for 4. This from have no...
Oh, that one has gone straight along the ground. That has just rolled along the ground. I think it's clipped a little bit of the pad of Kane Williamson. It has, and lucky for him it was leg side. 3 and 10. Does that come off the glove? Come off the glove, I think. And Latham knows it straight away. So his vigil comes to an end as well. And Abrar picks up his first.
Like that. This time it's Nicholls. Down the ground. He had ample time to get to the ball and then smash it.
Yeah, fantastic shot.
And both off Kane Williamson as well as he continues his flurry of shots here. Nicely timed.
And normally does play the shot. Does play that sweep shot. Controls it well. Places it beautifully. Another boundary.
Well, the
inside edge, and he's got him. Ball stays low out of the rough. The cut shot didn't work. Big inside edge, but Numan gets a breakthrough.
poor shot selection.
Reverse, and he hits it well. Hits it really well. Boundary to start his innings.
There is a reason why he's got an average of 62.
Down the ground again from Mitchell. And that one has gone all the way. Good use of the feet, good early aggression. And again, same area. This one might not reach. It does. It does. It's been timed just as well.
4G.
See of the positivity of Daryl Mitchell. And there's another. Didn't quite time that to perfection, but gets away with it.
Yeah, I don't think he got it quite as high as he wanted to.
Driven straight and hard by Mitchell. 4 more. Offside, short and punished again.
Turning the table here, New Zealand, ever since that.
That'll be 4 more, but a little streaky on this occasion by Mitchell. Went down into the ground. We'll say that. He wasn't in complete control of it.
Yeah, went searching full and been punished leg side. The timing yet again from Daryl Mitchell. Sublime.
Every now and then. Has that come off the glove? Yes, the finger's gone up. Daryl Mitchell walks back.
Yeah, no review. He knew it straight away. Came off the glove, went straight up in the air. Looked for the reverse, so something slightly different. more. Just getting a little bit too...
Come to the bowlers. Oh, he didn't mean to hit there. Not at all. Looking for a cut, got the under edge through the legs of Sarfraz.
This time he gets all of it. He waltzes down, a flick of the wrist, and it's gone all the way. Right.
Down the track. And again, a beautifully timed shot over the top. Brar is glaring back at Williamson with no answer at the moment. And Noman now bowling round the wicket and
runs. Probably a couple, or just stopped before the rope. Yeah, what you saying?
next over now for Noman. And Brar has bowled 42 overs in this innings so far.
There it is. It's gone up. It's gone high. Oh, there's confusion between the two. Imam was one. I think it was probably his catch in the end, but he just caught a glimpse out the corner of his eye.
Ah, beautiful shot. Don't you want to see that again? Excellent shot. Very controlled. Everything right about that shot.
In Pakistan. In swing, and that time Aleem Dar says it's out. Reverse swing, bit of seam off the track. Blundell talks with Williamson. Still talks, decides. Wants a single, will get the single and will get to his 100. Williamson's 25th Test match 100, and his love affair with Pakistan continues. 5th against Pakistan.
That is smashed. Heard about him that he plays his shots, he doesn't really care, and he's showing it.
Aggressive player.
Fair to say there was at least 3 set of stumps away from the order. In the air. Comfortable catch to Mohammad Waseem. As the day comes to a close, Brar picks up his 3rd. It's a 6th for New Zealand to go. It's Bracewell.